Good day, everyone. It's me, Jams of It's Jams Kitchen. Today is another episode where I'll bring you to a different dimension of cooking. These simple yet flavorful chicken tacos are very easy to make and filled with super juicy and delicious chicken. Perfect for weeknight meals and makes great leftovers. If there's a recipe that I make at least once a week, it's definitely this easy chicken tacos. You can either grill the chicken or do the same as I'll show you in this video. Let's go! This video is created to all my loyal subscribers. You guys made this all possible. Shout out to all the moderators of Lutong Bahay Recipes, starting with Angie Clements of Team Clements, Buds BJ of Pan of Pinoy Cooking Recipes, JC of Madiskarting Inday, Jeffrey Lolinco of Lutong Bahay Recipes, my besh Lilia Catalma, Chef Neil Simon of Neil Simon TV, Nico James of Tamayo TV, Chef Ferraro, Rocky Opiniano of Home Cook Dad, Chef Ronnie of Alingfe, Summer Tips of Josephine Tividad, and of course, your Mayores, your sexy chef. And here's our easy and delicious chicken tacos. If you like the video, please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell button for you to get notified. Thank you so much for watching.